Okay, guys. So what is the purpose doing this?
What's that?
What is the purpose of doing this?
Man, I wasn't ready, man. But we gotta make sure the surface is completely dry and clean of
Dry and clean
oil.
before putting the head.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Okay. So this is the
head from
this is the head for
2008
2008
Audi A4 Quattro
Audi A4 Quattro. Okay.
FSI.
This is the right head or left head?
I'm gonna smack you. That is cylinder head. We have a problem with that motherfucker engine.
Okay. So what is the problem?
Well, someone forgot to. They didn't actually forget. Someone neglected their car. They didn't change their oil. They ignored the
They didn't
warning.
pay attention.
Yeah,
Okay.
they didn't pay attention. They just
at all.
ignored the oil warning
Okay.
light.
And then there was
And
less
then-
oil.
Yeah, and then they just drove the car to shit. Took it to the dealership. They couldn't afford to fix it. Went to the junkyard.
Junk. Then you guys got it, or whatever. Okay, bro. Yeah, cool. To be honest, once you fix that car, okay, let me show you the car, guys. By the way, the body. This is B7, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, we have C5 RS6 engine here, 4.2 B-turbo, twin turbo. Also, we have 2.7 twin turbo here from D5 S4, and we have another
We have a
motor here,
4.2
4.2 from
Audi
S6,
C5.
C5 S6, right?
Yes, sir.
And we have here 2.8 heads. My friend Dean, he is gonna
yes,
build
sir.
single turbo B5 S4, and he's gonna use that head on his build, right?
You know it. 2.8 heads or nothing.
Inline 4.
Yep, it's a
No left
straightforward.
side, no right side. It's only one head.
We get a timing belt, we get a timing chain.
Timing belt.
Yep. I mean, you can see it, but it's in
It is
there.
okay. There is a timing chain cover over here.
We get a turbo sitting over there, ready to rock and roll.
We have alternator. No, this is alternator.
There's the AC compressor,
AC compressor. Okay.
or steering pump, and the turbo. Okay. We get a new head gasket. We get new head bolts.
Okay.
Audi recommends brand new bolts because the old ones stretch. Some people use them and then they don't have any problems, but
So how much money you spend on that bolts? There are two, four. There are 8 of them. No.
10 of them.
8 of them.
10.
10 of them. Okay. Oh, okay.
It was like $40,
40 bucks. It's not
Pretty
that
cheap.
bad.
you know.
Okay, 4 or 5
Headache
bucks per each. So okay, let's see. Okay guys, once you do that, you gotta be careful. You gotta go from center to the outside, right?
Yeah. Oh,
You want me to hold it?
no. I want to take it out. That's what I want to do actually.
So how many Newton meter?
40 foot-pounds. I really don't know how many Newton meters that is.
40 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 90 degrees.
Okay, first 40 foot-pounds, then you do 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the last one.
Yep.